Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be making banana bread. It's a very easy recipe to make with your overripe bananas, and it's my kids' absolutely favorite dessert, so stick around. So for this recipe I have eggs, milk, flour, bananas, sugar, melted butter, salt, baking powder, and vanilla. So I'm gonna start by mashing my bananas. And these bananas, they are not ripe actually. I was trying to find. So because they are not ripe, you can still use them. The banana bread will have a lighter color. I'm starting by mashing with a fork, which is not as easy and a little bit hard, but it's okay. I think it will do it. So guys, so if you have bananas and then they're brown, they're very dark, don't throw them away. They're actually perfect for a banana bread. And now I'm adding some milk, just a little bit, about 1 tablespoon. So my banana mixture is ready. So now I'm just gonna mix the sugar and the butter. It's just melted butter. You can melt it in the microwave. I prefer on the stove. And then I'll just whisk it together. My kids love the banana bread. Like honestly, by the time I'm done baking it, it takes about maximum 2 hours and it's gone. So I mixed my butter and my sugar, and now I'll add my banana. My banana and about, I want to say, a tablespoon of vanilla. All right, so I'm whisking it together, putting it aside, and I have about 2 cups of flour here. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I usually put 1 teaspoon of salt, but because I use salted butter, I think I'm just gonna use a pinch. I don't want it to be too salty since the butter is already salted. So what I'll do is, oh, I forgot. So I'm just gonna whisk it together. I did sift the flour. I could have sipped with the baking powder. And what I'll do, I'll add progressively. So I'll add about 1/3 of my flour. Okay. Be careful, just whisk it together. What I like about this one, you don't have to have any special equipment, just a whisk and a bowl on a fork, and that will do it. And what I like about it, by the way, I'm gonna add an egg. You can really control your sugar intake. So you don't have, if the bananas are ripe, you don't have to add too much sugar because they're already sweet. It's really up to you guys, and you can control that. So that's why I like to make my own desserts. Okay. So I add about 1/3 of the flour, 1 egg. So now we'll do it in 3. So I'm adding about the second third. And now I'm gonna add my second egg. And the last portion of my flour. So make sure that the eggs is blended very well with the rest of the flour, yeah. So it should be loose enough. Not too loose, but the right consistency here. And now all I have to do is put in my mold and in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it's a slow baking process for it. So, there we go. This is about the fastest, one of the fastest desserts I love to make. So this is gonna go in the oven at 325 degrees for an hour. So I'll see you in a bit. So what are we gonna do now?
Take a slice.
A slice? So I should cut a slice?
Yeah.
Is it one of your favorite desserts?
Yeah.
I know you don't like the crust, so we're not gonna taste this one. How about the second one? Yes?
Yeah.
It's still a little bit warm. Why do you like banana bread? Because what?
I like the inside and the outside.
The inside and out. So can you taste it and you're gonna look at the camera and tell them what it tastes like, okay? If you like it. Can you look at the camera? Is it warm?
It tastes like banana.
It tastes like banana. There you have it, guys. It tastes like bananas. So I'm gonna take it back. Can I?
Yeah.
No. It's warm too. Good. I like it.
It tastes like cake or banana.
Like bananas. Yes. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.